वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः
कुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
अकुहविसर्जनीयानां कण्ठः
इचुयशानां तालु
इचुयशानां तालु
ऋटुरशानाम् ऊर्ध्वा
ऋटुरसानां मूर्धा
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
लुतुलसानां दन्ताः
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
उपपद्मानीयानाम् ओष्ठौ
यमाङ्गानां नासिका च
यमगणनानां नासिका च
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
एदैतोः कण्ठतालु
कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
ओदौतोः कण्ठ ओष्ठम्
कारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
वकारस्य दन्त ओष्ठम्
मूलीयस्य जिह्वा मूल्यम्
जिह्वामूलीयस्य जिह्वामूल्यम्
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
नासिका अनुस्वारस्य
अयुन्
अयुन्
दृलुक्
ऋलुक्
एओङ्
एओङ्
ऐ औच्
ऐ औच्
अयवरट्
अयवरट् लण्
यामाङ्गाणाम्
यामाङ्गाणाम्
जभै घढदश् जबगडदश् खप चठथ चटतौ
छटतौ
कपै शशसर् हल्
हल
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि
सूत्राणि
Maheshwarat agatani sutrani Maheshwara sutrani. Sutra which has come from Maheshwara. Adhigamya Maheshwarat. Therefore, Maheshwarat agatani sutrani iti. Is my voice clear?
yes
Yes,
yes ji
Okay. Now, can you all see the Ashtadhyayi? You can chant this. Can you see the file or I'm sharing?
yes yes ji
Okay. I have to move this forward 1 minute. After this arrow mark, should I go like this? Yes. Okay. We will do from the second chapter, 1 to 1. First chapter we have read for the last 2 classes. So 1 to 1. Can you see 1 to 1?
yes
Okay. So 1 to 1.
No, 1
1 to 1. It is 1 to 1.
1 to 1 yeah
Yes. Can repeat. Gankuta Dibyo. I'll read it together. You don't have to do Sandhi Vicheda and all. Gankuta Dibhyom Ninhit.
gang kudadibhyo yin yit
Vijayit
vijayit
Vivashor Noh
vivasho no
no
Sarvadhatukam Apit
sarvadhatukam
Sanyoha Litkit
संयोगा लिखित
Indi Bhavatibhyam Cha
इंदि भवतिभ्यां च
Mrida Mrida Guda Kusha Klisha Vada Vasahatva
मृद मृद गुद कुश क्लित शवदवस
Uda Vida Musha Graghi Swapi Prachaha Sanscha
रुद विद मुष ग्रही स्वपि पृच्छ संच
Samscha
संच
Iko Jal
इको जल
Halantacha
हलंता च
Ling Sichavatmane Padeshu
लिंग सिद्धा इच्छावात्मने पदेषु
Uscha
उश्च
Vagamaha
वागमः
Hanaha Sicha
हणः सिच
Yamo Gandhane
यमो गन्धने
Vibhasho Payamane
विभाषो भयमने
Stadghorascha
भागोरिच
Naktva Set
नात्वा सेट
सेट
Nishtashing Svidi Midikshvidi Drishaha
निष्ठा श्री स्विति मिदि श्विति पुरुषः
Mrishastitikszayam
विश्वस्तितिक्षायाम्
Upadat Bhavadi Karmanoho Anyatarasyam
उपधाम
भावादिकर्मणोः अन्यतरस्याम्
Pung Tvacha
पूर्वाच
Nopadatha Panthadva
नो
पदार्थ
पान्थाद्वा
पान्थाद्वा
वञ्चीलुञ्च्युतश्च
वञ्चीलुञ्च्युतस्य
तश्च
तृषि मृषि कृषेः काश्यपस्य
ऋषि
कृषेः
काश्यपस्य
काश्यपस्य
रलो विपधाद्धलाधेः संश्च
रलो
विपधाद्धलादेः
विपधाधलादेः
संश्च
सञ्च
ऊकालो ज्रस्वदीर्घप्लुतः
कालो
कालोज्झस्वदीर्घप्लुतः
दीर्घप्लुतः
उचश्च
अचश्च
उच्चैरुदात्तः
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 नीचैरनुदातः
नीचैरनुदात्तः
समाहारस्वरितः
समाहारस्वरितः
तस्यादित उदात्तमर्धह्रस्वम्
तस्यादित
तस्यादित
उदात्तमर्धह्रस्वम्
उदात्तमर्दह्रस्वम्
उदात्तम् अर्धरस्वम् एकश्रुतिधूरात् सम्बुद्धौ
एकश्रुतिधूरात् समृद्धौ बुद्धौ
यज्ञकर्मण्यजपन्यूख सामसु
यज्ञकर्मण्य
यज्ञकर्मण्य जप न्युङ्सामसु
तामसु
उच्चैस्तरां वा वषट्कारः
उच्चैस्तरां वा वषट्कारः
भाषाच्छन्दसि
भाषा सछन्दसि
न सुब्रह्मण्यायां स्वरितस्य तूदात्तः
न सुब्रह्मण्यायां
स्वरितस्य
तुदातः
मनोरनुधात्तः
देवब्रह्मणोरनुदातः
ब्रह्मणोरनुदात्तः
एव ब्रह्मणो ब्रह्मणो स्वरिता संहितायाम् अनुदात्तानाम्
वरिता संहितायाम् अनुदात्तानाम्
अनुदात्तानाम्
उदात स्वरित परस्य सन्नतरः
उदात स्वरित परस्य सन्नतरः
अपृक्त एकाल् प्रत्ययः
अपृक्त एकाल् प्रत्ययः
तत्पुरुषः समानाधिकरणकर्मधारयः
तत्पुरुष समानाधिकरणकर्मधारयः
कर्मधारयः
प्रथमानिर्दिष्टं समासे उपसर्जनम्
प्रथमानिर्दिष्टं समासे उपसर्जनम्
एकविभक्ति च पूर्वनिपाते
एकविभक्ति च पूर्वनिपाते
We are just reading these sutras in the second chapter. It's not that we are going to see second chapter now. No, there is no order like that. We'll read any sutra from any chapter, any section, just trying to be familiar with the sutras. First chapter we read for a few classes. Second chapter we are reading. After the third chapter. So we will try to complete the whole Ashtadhyaya. Again, we'll start from first chapter. So it's not that first chapter is done, second chapter is going to enter. That's not like that. There is no krama here. Arthavat aratuhu apratyah pratipadikam.
धातुः अप्रत्ययः प्रातिपदिकम्.
This is the definition of pratipadikam. This sutra and the next sutra also. Krittadita samasascha. Rasvo napumsake pratipadikasya. Gostriyorupasarjanasya. Luktadita luki. Id gonyoho. Lupi yuktavat vyakti vachane.
लुपि युक्तवत् व्यक्तिवचने
विशेषणानां च जातेः
विशेषणानां च जातेः
तदशिष्यं संज्ञा प्रमाणत्वात्
तदशिष्यं संज्ञा प्रमाणत्वात्
लुब् लुब्योगात् प्रख्यानात्
लुब्योगाप्रख्यानात्
योगप्रमाणे च तदभावे दर्शनं स्यात्
योगप्रमाणे च तदभावे दर्शनं स्यात्
प्रधान प्रत्ययार्थ वचनम् अर्थस्यान्यप्रमाणत्वात् प्रधान प्रत्ययार्थ वचनम् अर्थस्य अन्य प्रमाणत्वात् एवरीथिंग इज टुगेदर प्रधान प्रत्ययार्थ वचनम् अर्थस्यान्य प्रमाणत्वात् इति आलोपसर्जने च तुल्यम् यात्याख्यायाम् एकस्मिन् बहुवचनम् अन्यतरस्याम्
एकस्मिन् बहुवचनम् अन्यतरस्याम्
अस्मदोद्वयोश्च फल्गुनी प्रोष्टपदानां च नक्षत्रे छन्दसि पुनर्वस्वोः एकवचनम् विशाखयोश्च तिष्य पुनर्वसोः नक्षत्रद्वन्द्वे बहुवचनस्य द्विवचनं नित्यम्
तिष्य पुनर्वसुः नक्षत्रद्वन्द्वे बहुवचनस्य द्विवचनं नित्यम्
स्वरूपाणाम् एकशेष एकविभक्तौ वृद्धो यूना तल्लक्षणश्चेदेव विशेषः स्त्री पुंवच्च पुमान् स्त्रिया भ्रातृपुत्रौ स्वस्त्रदुहितृभ्याम् नपुंसकम् अनपुंसकेन एकवच्च अन्यतरस्याम् अस्य अन्यतरस्याम् I'm just splitting trying to they don't split difficult to read also when you're familiar with the individual words then you would be able to see that napumsakam is the napumsakam anapumsakena ekavat cha ekavaccha asya anyatarasyam. If you know these individual words we can chant together napumsakam anapumsakena ekavachchasyanyatarasyam. This is difficult. I'll split that. Napumsakam anapumsakena ekavaccha asya anyatarasyam.
नपुंसकम् अनपुंसकेन एकवच्चास्यान्तरस्याम्
एकवच्च अस्य अन्यतरस्याम् एकवत् च एकवच्च अस्य अन्यतरस्याम् एकवच्चास्यान्यतरस्याम् पिता मात्रा श्वशुरः श्वश्रुवा यदादीनि सर्वैर्नित्यम् ग्राम्यपशु सङ्गेष्वतरुणेषु स्त्री
ग्राम्य पशु संगेष्वतरुणेषु स्त्री.
Okay. 273. 73 sutras in the second chapter. 73 sutras in the second section of the first chapter. And 75 sutras in the first section. The last class we saw this paribhasha, Sashti Sthane Yoga, Tasminiti Nirdrishte Purvasya, Tasmaditi Uttarasya. All these paribhashas are there in the first chapter. Shashti Sthani Yoga, that sutra defines the Sthani Shashti. The Sthani which is not mentioned in Sambandha in the sutra will be deemed to be a Sthani Shashti. That is the placeholder where the replacements will happen. Shashti Sthani Yoga. That is Shashti Vibhakti is to be connected to the yoga. Sambandham Karaniyam Sthane Shashti iti. Not any other Sambandha. Sthane Yoga. Then Tasmaditi Uttarasya. Tasmaditi, we saw this Tasmad. Tasmad here is, we have to take the meaning of the word Tasmad. That is Tasmaditi. Iti is Tasmaditi, Tasminiti. So, iti is used to indicate the meaning of the word. Tasmin iti, the word is, we are not taking the word as such. Tasmin means that which is denoted by in Saptami Vibhakti. Similarly, that which is denoted by in Panchami Vibhakti. So, the word which is in Panchami Vibhakti, that is what is denoted. Tasmat is not literally the word Tasmat. Tasmin is not literally the word Tasmin. So, iti doesn't mean that. Iti means what is denoted by Tasmat, what is denoted by Tasmin. So, Tasmaditi Uttarasya Stotra says, when a word or when a rule is specified by using the Panchami Vibhakti, Tasmat, then the Sthani will be located immediately after that, where the Karya will happen. The change will happen. The change happens to the Sthani. The Karya will happen immediately, the word preceding in Panchami Vibhakti. That is the meaning. Immediately. No Varna should intervene. Nothing should intervene. Similarly, Tasminiti Dishte Purvasya, that rule says, that Paribhasha says, whenever a rule is specified using the Saptami Vibhakti, seventh case in the Sutra, then the Sthani, then the Karya will happen immediately before that. That is a Sthani. The Karya will happen immediately preceding that word in Saptami Vibhakti. The Karya will happen. And where the Karya happens, that is a Sthani. Where the Karya happens, that is a Sthani. That is what is indicated, that is what told by the Paribhasha, Shashti Sthani Yoga. These are the three important Paribhasha Sutra. So 5, 7 and 6. 5 is Panchami Vibhakti. So Sthani will follow that. 7 is Saptami Vibhakti. Sthani will precede that. So Sthani will begin Shashti Vibhakti. That which replaces Sthani will begin Prathama Vibhakti, that is Adesha. That is not replaced but added to Sthani, that is called Agama. Agama, Adesha, these are not defined, but these are understood. Adesha, Agama, and all. But Sthani is defined. Shashti Sthani Yoga iti. This is what we saw in the last class. Any doubt in this? No doubt?
No.
No.
Okay. Some more paribhashas are there. So we will see. Today we will see one paribhasha. One more this. And We will see. I'll explain this with you some example. Let us take this one example. Rama plus Ishvara. What will happen? Rama plus Ishvara.
Rameshwara.
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 Rama plus Ishvara. Rameshwara. Rama plus Ishvara becomes Rameshwara. What sandhi is that?
Guna Sandhi.
What is the rule for Guna Sandhi? What is the rule? When does Guna Sandhi happen?
Are followed by Asavarna Ach.
A or A is followed by. When Avarna is followed by Asavarna Aj, then Purva Parayoga Sthane Kim Adesha Bhavati?
Ekara.
Ekaha Gunadesha Bhavati. So A is the Purva and E is the Para. A is there fine. Followed by E. E is Asavarna Aj. Therefore, Purva Parayogosthane, that is Akara Ikara Yogosthane Ekaha Gunadeshaha Bhavati. Now, what are the Guna letters? That already we saw, right? We saw Guna letters. Sanya.
Ayevo.
So in Sanya Sutra we have seen A, E, O. Have you seen Sanya Sutras? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Just to make confirm, we have seen Sanya Sutras. All the Sanyas we have seen. Important Sanyas. Guna, Vriddhi, and Upada Sanyoha, many Sanyas, and even Lopaha, that's also a Sanya. And It, important. So Sanyas we have seen. So Guna. What is the Guna Sanya rule? What is the rule, Sutra, for that?
Athing Gunahava.
Adeng Gunaha.
Adeng.
Second Sutra, 1 and 2. The first one is
Vriddhi
Vriddhi
Radej.
Vriddhi Radej. The first Sutra, Vriddhi. Vriddhi and Sanya are defined by these sutras. Now, A and E both will be replaced by a single Adesha. Only one, because only one seat is there. How can two persons sit, or two or more people? A and E both will be going to be replaced. So, only one Adesha is possible. Only one Adesha is possible. Now, how are you going to select this? That is what, for that also we need a sutra. A selection. The three Guna letters A, A, O are there. Now, which is the right choice for this? Which is the right choice? And why?
Ye. Ucharnasthanam.
That is what is sutra. I explained this with Ucharnasthanam to start with. That is fine. That is what is sutra is going to say. So, what is the base for that? That is a sutra. That is replacement. The best replacement will be A. So, Rama, A plus E will become A. Therefore, Rameshwara you get. Based on what? Based on this sutra. Sthane Antaratamaha. That is the sutra we are going to see today. Rameshwara you get. Not A, not O. So, what is that? We will see. Sthane Antaratamaha. There is a sutra. Sutra number 1150. Sutra number 1150. We will see each word. Sthane. Sthane is Saptami Vibhakti. Sthane 7-1. Antaratamaha. It is Pratama Vibhakti. Ekavachanam. Both are Ekavachanam. Sthane Ekavachanam. Antaratamaha Ekavachanam. Sthane Saptami Vibhakti. Antaratamaha Pratama Vibhakti. So, for this sutra, Shashti and Sthane Yoga. It comes as Anuvritti. So Sampurna Sutram is only this much. Sthane Antaratamaha. Sthane Antaratamaha. What is Antaratamaha? Antaratamaha is Atishayena Antaraha. Atishayena Antaraha. That is called Antaratamaha. Antaratama is Sadrishatamaha, which are similar, equal. Antaratamaha is, it is Sadrishatamaha, similar or equal. So, Sthane Sadrishatamaha Adeshaha Bhavati. So, what will replace the Adesha? What will replace a Sthani? Which Adesha will replace a Sthani? When you have got choice, more are there. Like in the Guna, we saw choices are there, more than one Adesha are. If one Adesha is there, then no problem. Then we know the Sutra. But many are there. Many choices are there. Therefore, which one you will choose? Sthane in the place of Sthani. Antaratamaha. It is Sadrishatamaha Adesha Bhavati. So, Shashti Sthane Adesha Bhavati. And that Adesha will be Antaratamaha Sadrishatamaha. So, Sadrishatamaha means similar, same. That is, when you substitute a word or a varna in the place of Sthani, then that substitution, that replacement must be how it must be. It must be, that is the most proximate, the most proximate or closest possible Adesha. The closest Adesha must replace this Sthani. That must be the substitution. So when you have a number of possibilities, so the most closest possibility will be the Adesha. That is what the Sutra says. When there should be a replacement, substitution in the place of Sthani, among the Adeshas, the most closest one will be chosen. Chosen as replacement. Prasange sati sadrishatamaha adeshaha syat. So when the context of replacement is there, the replacement will be based on the closest possibility. Now, closest, when you say, how do you determine the closest? On what basis you determine the closest? That is going to be said in detail later. It's going to come. Not in Sutra, in the same Sutra we are going to see. How do you know the closest? First we will read this vritti, then we will see how it is determined. Sampurna Sutram is Sthane Antaratamaha. Sthaninaha Aneke Adeshaha Bhavitam Harganti Chet. Only one Sthani is there, the place of one Sthani. Many Adeshas are possible. Many Aneke Adeshaha Bhagavad Adeshaha Bhavitam Harganti. Yes, like in the Gunasandhi just now we saw, 3 Adeshas are there. Many Adeshas are possible, but Sthani is only one. Chet, if it is so, Sadrishatamaha Adeshaha Vidiyate. Then the Adesha will be Sadrishatamaha. That is the most proximate or closest similar will replace the Sthani. That is similarity between the Sthani and the Adesha. Based on that, the replacement will happen. Bhagushu Sutreshu Ekasya Sthaninaha Aneke Adeshaha Diyante. Yes, in many sutras you will see, or we have seen before, in the place of one Sthani, many Adeshas are ordained, are given. Yata Mider Gunaha is giving some example. We can take Adeng Gunaha, that is, we know. Adeng Gunaha, we know. That is Gunasandhi, that is the example I gave. Adeng Gunaha 112. Iti Anena a, akara, ekara, okara, a, e, o. एतेषां त्रयाणां वर्णानां गुणसंज्ञा भवति गुणसंज्ञाः भवन् गुणसंज्ञा भवति एतेषां त्रयाणां गुणसंज्ञा भवति these three have the name guna अतः अत्र इकारस्य स्थाने त्रयः आदेशः उच्यन्ते okay this is connected to the previous sutra that's why he says vider gunaha anyway we can take the guna sandhi example what I gave so three adeshas are possible a ye o taking our example Rama plus Ishvara three adeshas are possible in the place of Purva Parayoga Sthani. Don't take this example Midher Gunaha because we have not seen that. But we know Guna Sandhi, therefore I took the example of Guna Sandhi. In Guna Sandhi, Purva Parayoga Sthani. So here you have to replacement. Ataha Atra Ikarasya Sthani is there. You can replace it by Purva Parayoga Sthani. Trayaha Adeshaha Uchyante. Three Adeshas are possible. A, Ye, Bo in the place of Purva and Para. Now, एतेभ्यः त्रिभ्यः आदेशेभ्यः कः आदेशः करणीयः which one you will select among the three which one should replace this is sthani which adesha should replace sthani asya uttaram sthanentratamah anena sutrena labhyate the answer for this is got by this sutra sthanentratamah yah adeshah sthanena sadrishamah asti that adesha which has sadrishatama, similarity, the proximity with the sthani, saha eva karaniyaha, that alone should replace. Iti asya sutrasya artha. This is the meaning of the sutra. The sutra just simply tells the replacement of sthani by adesha should be based on sadrishatama, should be based on the closest possibility, the proximate possibility. That's all the sutra says. But what is the closest possibility? That is not said. That is said by the commentators. That is said by the commentators. That is what we are going to see. Up to this, you follow me? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Chief.
Yes,
You
Ji.
in this?
Yeah.
In fact, this sutra only says sthani antatama adesha is ordained for the sthani by this sutra only. Sthane antaratamaha. Sthane antaratamaha adesha. Antaratamaha adesha bhavati. Adesha is ordained in the place of sthani. That is given by this sutra only. This is a sutra for that. Now, which adesha you will select? That question comes. That is answered. Before reading this, let me brief on that first, and then we can read this. The closeness can be based on certain things. The closeness of adesha with respect to sthani can be based on number one. It is based on the this sthani. Sthani is that is the place where it is ordained. So one is the guna, that is sthana, artha, guna, pramanatah. These are the four possibilities by which adesha is ordained to the sthani. Number one, sthana. Sthana is the place of enunciation, the place where it is ordained. That is number one, sthana. Second one, artha. Artha meaning the meaning. Artha means meaning. Artha meaning meaning. Third one is guna. Guna means, here we cannot take guna means character. Guna means prayatna. Fourth one is pramana. Pramana means to measure. So the length of pronunciation, matra, rasva, dirgha, pluta, that is called pramana. So these are the four things based on which the adesha is ordained for a sthani. So now we will see one by one. First, sthana sadrishyam, similarity to the sthani, that is sthana sadrishyam. Second one, Artha Sadrishyam, similarity based on the meaning. Third one, Guna Sadrishyam, that is based, Guna here is Prayatna. You have to take as Prayatna. We know Prayatna. Prayatna is effort. Abhyantara Prayatnam, Bhagya Prayatnam, those Prayatnams we know, Prayatna. Pramana Sadrishyam is the length of pronunciation. The matras, Rasva Dirga, Pluta iti. So these are the four. Now if you read this, you understand. Sthana Sadrishyam, Katam Nirniyate, how to determine the Sthana Sadrishyam. Sadrishyam Katam Nirniyate, how to determine the Sadrishyam. Vastutaha Sadrishyam Chaturvidam Asti. The proximity, the Sadrishyam is of four types. Based on four types, Sadrishyam can be said. Sthana Sadrishyam, number one. Artha Sadrishyam, Guna Sadrishyam, Pramana Sadrishyam. So Sthana, Artha, Guna, Pramana. These are the four. Now let us see the first one. Kramena Pashyamaha, Sthana Sadrishyam. Sthana Sadrishyam is what? Sthana is, we know. What is Sthana? That is the place of pronunciation. That is what I generally say in the beginning. That is what I said generally in the beginning. Even in Guna Sandhi, when we learned, what did I say? Remember? A is Kanta. In the Purva, it is the letter is A. That is Kanta. Uchcharanasthanam is Kanta. And the Para, which is E, whose Uchcharanasthanam is Talu. So the replacement, that Adesha must have the Uchcharanam coming from these two places. That must be the right Adesha. And here Guna letters are there, A, E, O. A is Kanta, O is Kanta, Oshta. These both cannot be selected because A is only Kanta. Here Talu is not there. And O is, Kanta is there, but Oshta extra thing is there. That also will not be the proper one. But if you take A is Kanta as well as Talu. Here in the Purva, Akara is there, which is Kanta. And E is there, which is Talu. So Kanta Talu, which will be the right option? A will be the right option. Therefore, A will replace both the Purva and Para. Among the three, one is selected. Based on what? Based on the Uchcharana Sthanam. That is what? Sthana Sadrishyam. That is what? Sthana Sadrishyam. So the first way by which we determine the sthana is Sthana Sadrishyam based on the place of pronunciation. Generally, that only I will teach generally in the beginning when we study Sandhi. Now we are saying Sutra. Therefore, what are the other Sadrishyams possible? That is also given. That also you must know. Now, Sthana Sadrishyam, we will read. We know what it is. You understand what Sthana Sadrishyam? Replacement based on the Uchcharana Sthanam. Uchcharana Sthanam, that is called Sthana Sadrishyam. First we will read that. Sthanam iti yukte varnotpatti sthanam. Varnanam utpatti sthanam, that is called sthanam. Sthanam means place. Place means what? The place of enunciation, the place of pronunciation. The place of pronunciation. That is sthanam. Yatra Binnanam adeshanam uchcharana sthanam binnam asti. Tatra uchcharana sthana sadharmyena yaha varnaha sadrishatamaha tasya svikaraha kraniyaha. So where there are different adeshas whose uchcharana sthanams are different, there uchcharana sthana sadharmyena, based on the similarity of the uchcharana sthanam, you have to select one, and that is the sadrishatamaha, that is the antaratamaha, and that alone has to be accepted and we should replace the sthani. Yata mider gunaha iti anena yadyapi. Okay, it's taking that example, but we have seen Gunasandhi example. In the Gunasandhi example, we will take Gunasandhi. What happens? Pura Parayogastane. I'm just replacing Ikara by Purva Para. Pura Parayogastane Adeshaha Vidiyante. Kaha Adeshaha O is the A is the adesha, which is kantatalu. Iti adesha bhavati. Okay, that's all. Other things I'm not reading because it's an example for Midyar Gunaha. We have seen example for Gunasandhi. So therefore, this is sadrishyam based on the sthanam, the place of enunciation, pronunciation. Atra etat smartavyam. This has to be remembered here. Yet adesha nirnaye kevalam sadrishyam avashyakam asti samanata na. Sadrishyam asti eva, not samanata. You cannot replace the sthani with exactly the adesha which is equal adesha, not possible. If adesha is kanta, you cannot replace the, if sthani is kanta, you cannot replace sthani by the adesha which is purely kanta, not possible. You have to see the proximity, the closeness. Therefore, samanata na avashyakam, sadrishyam avashyakam eva. Ityukte, yadyapi, then this for this example is giving a yevo iti etesham ucharana sthanehi sah samanam nasti, even though in none of these adeshas are samanam for the adesh for the sthani, tatapi etebhyah, in our example, ekarasya adeshasya sadrishatamam asti. Therefore, that is the replacement. I'm just replaced the example Midyar Gunaha with our Gunasandhi example. The Gunasandhi example is good because Midyar Gunaha we don't know. That's why I'm not saying this. So this is Sthana Sadrishyam. Number 1. Number 2. Number 2 is Artha Sadrishyam. Number 2 is Artha Sadrishyam. Based on the Artha, the meaning. Arthena Sadrishyam, Artha Sadrishyam. Similarity based on the Artha. Artha meaning. Yatra Sthana Sadrishyena Adeshah Nirneha na bhavitum shakyate. Where you cannot select an Adesha based on the Sthana, then you have to come to Artha. This is the order. Okay. This is the order. First is Sthana. You have to look for the Sthana, the place of pronunciation, by which you cannot come to any conclusion. Then come to Artha. If Artha also doesn't work, then come to Guna. Guna means the Prayatna. By Prayatna also, if you can't come, then come to Pramana. This is the order. So first always Artha. That is why I generally say Artha. Generally I say Sthana, not Artha. Generally I say Sthana. Sthana is the place of pronunciation. That is the first Sadrishyam. You have to look for the Sadrishyatvam of Sthanam. Ucharana Sthanam. Artha comes later only. If Ucharana Sthanam is fine, then you have to go by that. If you can't determine based on Ucharana Sthanam, then come to Artha Sadrishyam. Otherwise, that Sthanam, Sthana Sadrishyam itself is enough. Now, if you cannot determine, then come to Artha Sadrishyam. And here is giving a long sutra. Let me read this. Otherwise, I will give another example. Yata, long sutra is at 6163. Anena sutrena pad dat nas mas hrit nish asan yushan doshan yakan shakan udan asan iti edesha ete adeshaha nirdishtaha santi. All these are adesha. All these are adeshas. Atra sthani naha na uktaha. What is sthani is not given here. Only adeshas are given here. Sthani is not given. Therefore, ataha ye shabdaha artha sadrishena adesha samanaha santi te sthani rupena svikriyante. Therefore, the replacement is based on the artha sadrishyam because sthani is not given. Ye shabdaha artha sadrishyena adesha samanaha santi te sthani rupena svikriyante. Example, pad shabdasya sthani pada. Dat shabdasya sthani danta. So if pad shabda is there, that is the sthani, then among these adeshas, which will replace the pad only? पद शब्दस्य स्थानि पाद. पद शब्दस्य स्थानि पाद. Similarly, dat shabdasya sthani danta. So pad is the adesha is given. That is adesha is given. So all these are adesha. So now there is a sthani. Pada and sthani is there. Now among these adesha, which one you will select? You have to take the meaning. Pada. Pada is pad. Because pada is derived from the dhatu pad and pad is given here. So pad will be the right because they are connected in terms of meaning. Similarly, dat, danta. Danta is tooth. And here, this pad, that all these are got meanings are there. Pad means to gain, to attain. That is a meaning. Pad. From that only you get the word pada. So that means that is, you have to check the dhatu pata. That maybe the dhatu or maybe something else is also. So that for that is for that adesha, the sthani must be danta. You cannot replace it by pad. You cannot replace danta by pad. Here you have to take the meaning of the meaning of this sthani. Based on the meaning of the sthani and the meaning of the adesha, you have to replace it. For pada, the replacement cannot be that. It is related to teeth. It cannot be nas. It cannot be mas. It cannot be hrit, nish, asan, yushan, doshan. All these are other words. They have got different meanings, not in keeping with the meaning of the sthani, pada. So the only word which is in keeping with the meaning of the pada is pad. Pad will be the replacement for pada, sthani. Similarly, for danta sthani, that will be the replacement. So here the replacement is based on the artha sadrishyam. Replacement is based on because sthani is not specified. So when sthani has got the meaning related to this the adeshas pad etc., then accordingly you replace it. That is the meaning. That is the idea. Yeah. Okay, I'll give another example. Akasavarne dirgha. This is maybe a simple example. This example, since here, this example is a long one. We need to know the sutra to understand this. But I can give you another simple example which we know. Let us take this example. Akaha savarne dirgaha. This is dirgha sandhi. Okay, I'm just writing the sutra. Akaha savarne dirgaha. What is the rule? Dirgha sandhi rule. When ak is followed by savarna ak. When ak is followed by savarna ak, the adesha will be dirgha savarna. So akaha savarne. Savarne is the akarna. This is akaha savarne. When savarna ak follows, then purva paryoga sthane dirgha adesha bhavati. Dirgha means what? What is the vibhakti of dirgha?
Prathama vibhakti.
Prathama vibhakti ekavachana. And savarne is,
Saptami
Saptami.
vibhakti ekavachana.
and akaha is.
Sashti.
So when ak is followed by akaha is sashti bhakti. When ak is followed by savarna ak, then both purva and para will be replaced by what? Replaced by
Dirgha.
Dirgha, savar.
dirgha.
Dirgha.
Like mama plus ashramaha. You say mama is I is there. That is this akaha. Sixth case, shashti vibhakti. Mama I is there. Followed by savarne aki. Savarne. Savarna ak follows. Savarne. Saptami vibhakti. Savarne. So this a plus a. Purva parayoga sthane. Kaha adeshaha? What is the Adesha in the place of Ak?
Dirgha. Dirgha.
Dirgha.
Babashramah.
Dirgha is the Adesha,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Adesha will be in what case?
Pratama vibhakti.
Pratama
But here
Vibhakti.
Pratama Vibhakti is Dirgha. Does it mean that word Dirgha will come and replace?
No. No.
No.
Does it mean Mam plus Dirgha, right? Then Shamaha. Can we do like this?
No.
Here you
No,
take the meaning of Dirgha.
That is called Artataha, Artha Sadrishyam. Okay. You have to take the meaning of the what the Adesha mean, the word Adesha mean. Dirgaha Adeshaha. This is Artataha. Is it clear? This example is better than the previous example, I think. So, Artata, this is Artha Sadrishyam. Dirgha means you have to take the Dirgha, not that Dirgha will come and replace it. Dirgha means A is D. This is Artha Sadrishyam. Okay. Then the next one, Guna Sadrishyam. Guna Sadrishyam, Guna I told means Prayatna. And here very specifically it is Bhagya Prayatna. Guna iti yukte Bhagya Prayatnaha. Guna means Bhagya Prayatna. Bhagya Prayatna, what are the Bhagya Prayatnas? We know all the 11 Bhagya Prayatnas. You have to recall. Ivara, Sambara, Gosha, Agosha, right? Udata, Anudata, Svarita, Mahaprana, Alpaprana. And did I miss anything?
Swasha, Nada, Goshaha.
Shwasa, Nada, I missed. Shwasa, Nada. All these are Bhagya Prayatna. So, you have to note this. Guna means Prayatna and Prayatna is Bhagya Prayatna. That is what Guna Sadrishyam. In determining this Tulya, the Savarna, there we saw Tulyasya Prayatnam Savam. There Prayatna is Abhyantara Prayatna. So you need to know, distinguish these two. Tulyasya Prayatnam Savam. There Prayatnam is Abhyantara Prayatnam. Because Prayatnam of two types, Abhyantara and Bhagya. In the Sutra, Tulyasya Prayatnam, Abhyantara, that Prayatnam is Abhyantara Prayatnam. In this Sutra, by Guna Sadrishyam, Guna meaning Prayatna and Prayatna means Bhagya Prayatna. You have to note this. Okay. So now, if we cannot determine the Sadrishyam based on Sthani, based on Artha also, then you come here. Come to Bhagya Prayatna. Based on the similarity of Bhagya Prayatna, you can choose the Adesha. That is what the meaning is. Only when you cannot do it by the Sthana Sadrishyam, Artha Sadrishyam, then only this, you have to come here. If you cannot even determine the Adesha, then go to the next one, Pramana Sadrishyam, based on the Matra, the time. Now, Guna Sadrishyam. Vasantiji, do you have class now? Geeta?
What question?
Bhagavad Gita is there? No, Tamil.
இல்ல நான் போல அது.
Okay, fine. If it is there, then they will be using Zoom. They have to stop here. Okay, let me quickly complete this. Yatra sthana sadrishyena artha sadrishyena va nirnayam kartum na shakyate tatra guna sadrishyasya upayogah karaniyaha. This I have said already. Just now said. Ataha, example is giving. Jayoho anyatarasyaam. This we know this. What is Jayoho anyatarasyaam? Do you remember the rule? Sanskritam class we saw. What is this says? Hakara will be replaced by what?
Replaced by the fourth letter.
Fourth letter of the
Okay.
J letter, corresponding to J letter. Which class it belongs? That Varga's fourth letter will be the replacement for Hakara. Anyatarasya option. Anena sutrena Jai Varnat Parasya Hakarasya Purva Savarna bhavati. That is why it's called Purva Savarna Sandhi. Okay. Yata Vag plus Ari. इत्यत्र अनेन सूत्रेण अकारस्य पूर्वसवर्णः इति युक्ते अकारस्य सवर्णः विधीयते. So Vak plus Ari, if this example you take, Hakara is the Sthani. Hakara is a Sthani, and that will be replaced by the Savarna of the Purva. Purva letter is Gakara, which is Jai. First of all, the condition must fulfill. Jai letter precedes Hakara. Yes, therefore this rule is applicable. What rule? Replacement of Hakara by the fourth letter of the fourth letter of the Jai letter. That class, the corresponding class, fourth letter of the following J letter will replace. That is a sutra. So, Hakarasya Purva Savarnaha. That's the best way I have to say. Hakarasya Purva Savarnaha. Vidiyate. Okay. Then, Akarasya Purva Savarnaha ityukte. What are the Savarna letters for Gakara? So, Purva Savarna, when you say, all the Kavarga letters will come. Ka, kha, ga, ga, na. So, we know all these are Savarna, right? Kavarga letters, ka, kha, ga, ga, na. They are Savarna. Ka is a Savarna to other. Similarly, all the other letters are Savarna to each other. So, Kakarasya Savarnaha ityukte sarve Kavarigiyaha. All the Kavarga letters are the Savarna letters. Now, which one you will select now? Which one will select? Purva Savarna just says. We know it is fourth letter. Why? Based on this only. When I taught this simple sandhi, I said fourth letter. But how you determine the fourth? Why not the first letter? Why not the second letter? Kakara. Why not the fifth letter? That Arunasika. Why it is only fourth letter? To understand why it is now. Etebhyaha akarasya sthane kaha varnaha agachet. Which will come? Etat jnatum sthana sadrishya atta sadrishya va sagayam svikartum na shakyate. You try by the previous two. Sthana sadrishyam. Sthana, when you say Gakara is what? Kanta. Now, Purva Savarna, when you say all these are also Kanta only. So, therefore, Sthana sadrishyam, based on Sthana sadrishyam, it is not possible. Artha also, there is no Artha here. You cannot take the meaning here because it is not a word. Like Dirgaha, Rasvaha, all these are got its meaning is that. Dirga means long, Rasva is short. It's not a meaningful word, it's a Varna. So that also not possible. So both are ruled out. Therefore, Guna Sadrishyam Drishtavyam. Therefore, you have to see the Guna Sadrishya. What is a Guna? Guna means Prayatana, I said. And Prayatana is what Prayatana? Bhagya Prayatana. Now you see the Bhagya Prayatana. That is, you have to see the Bhagya Prayatana of the Sthani as well as the Adesha. In the example, Sthani, in this example is Sthani